Hello, Jill Bryson. How are you doing? Are you excited to start the new school year as an assistant principal?
Yes, I am, Kim. I'm a little stressed out, though.
Oh, that is too bad. Why are you stressed? Are you nervous about remembering the names for all of the people who work at Wilson? Actually, I think a lot of people are wondering who works at Wilson now. There are many new faces on the staff.
I wish I could spend some time with them away from the pressures of school. I would also like to see where you live and have the opportunity to look through your closets, cabinets, and generally get more information about you.
Wow! What if I invited you to my house? I could also invite all of the teachers, paraprofessionals, custodians and secretaries. Do you think they would like that?
Gee whiz. I think that would be fantastic. I was talking with the Pride Committee and they thought that August 23rd from 5 until, well, whenever would be great. Will that work?
Absolutely. Here is my address: 2612 North 112th Street, Omaha. I will provide pizza. I make a mean sangria. Some people think that alcohol helps. So I'll have beer on ice. However, I will make lemonade and iced tea too. I guess if people want their own beverage they can bring it. How does that sound? I think we could also play yard games too. Nick Davis has a Viking yard game that includes clubs and skulls. He is so creative and clever.
Clubs and skulls? Mike Naughton told me he was out there. I'm game for anything.
I am excited. Everyone can see my darling dog, Anya. Oh, and meet my family too. Let's go for it.
Fantastic. Let's send out an invitation. I'm so happy that I could cry.